Hello everyone, in this video we will look at the best AdBlock browser for Android, Windows and Apple, and crypto while browsing, and protect privacy on Android and Apple. You don't have to download 3 different apps for all these features. You can get it in just one browser. So let's deal with today's topic together so you can deal with it yourself after watching the video. Having a smartphone is a good thing, but things don't feel good when ads pop up while browsing. Is it that our smartphone is not smart enough? I have a smart browser for you that can block ads and secure your privacy. You don't have to pay anything, and guess what? They will pay you to block ads. The name of the browser is Brave. To test this browser, I will carry out a Brave versus Chrome browser and you can witness how both perform and deal with ads. Chances are that the browser you are currently using is allowing your behavior to be exploited and monitored. Some websites allow over 100 trackers to latch on and follow your every move. With Brave browser, you block all this and also get rewarded with a crypto called Basic Attention Token or BAT. The amount earned won't be significant and getting to an amount that you can withdraw will be lengthy. But browsing without ads is already a reward. Now let's look at Brave versus Chrome browser. Please stick till the end of the video to decide if you should download this browser. Here is a side-by-side comparison between the Brave and the Chrome browser. Remember that Chrome has its own capabilities, and I'm only comparing the ads blocking feature in this video. I had to look for a website with plenty of ads, so I'm browsing through a free movie downloading website. I'm not promoting privacy in any way, and do not recommend going to the website shown in this video. When you visit websites where you can download or watch something for free, you will get advertisements. The creator or the developer put ads to earn money, but some websites put too many ads, which becomes very frustrating. But with Brave browser, you can browse with assurance. As you can see, Brave did pop up one ad, but it opened in the background and didn't disturb the browsing, whereas Chrome popped up 19 ads. Now that you know that the browser can block ads, let's look at the paying part. How to earn cryptocurrency? How to earn BAT? There are 2 buttons on the top right hand side. First one is to switch between the ad blocking feature. Second button is to check how much BAT you earned. When you accept to earn BAT, Brave browser will send notifications which you have to open to earn rewards. And if you wish to just use this browser for blocking ads, leave the rewards feature turned off. Earning good enough money from this will be very lengthy, and you should not skip your daily tasks to earn from this browser. When you install the browser, the initial setup will guide you through everything. Just pay close attention. I hope you like this Brave browser review and tutorial. The money we lost can be earned again, but the time we lose cannot be earned back. I really appreciate you taking out your time to watch my videos. I cannot tell you to subscribe and like my videos, but can only request you. Your action will tell YouTube to suggest my videos to others. Thank you for watching. Please comment and give me your feedback on this video. Take care.